real. It's 4.5 carats, Asher cut, halo of channel set diamonds, platinum.
What, it's kosher, yeah?
Oh, Mick.
No, just take a breath and then tell me what it is. You know, what is it? What, 50 grand? What?
Joey says he reckons he could get 200. 210.
200,000?
Yeah.
I mean, 200,000. I could get my own place. I could. Yeah, that's what I think I'll do.
Yeah, you should. I mean, that's what I'd do.
Yeah, that's what I'd do.
How about you keep the ring? And you give me a room to stay when I need one. Would that work for you?
Yeah, I think that would work, wouldn't it?
Are you sure?
Take it. Save the Vic.
Oh, thank you!
Oh, well, I felt it. Hold on. Oh, no, don't tread on it. Don't. No, hold
Lady
on.
Di, no.
Now, down.
Drop it.
That's it.
Drop it.
Good girl, you.
There's
Very
a
good girl, you are.
Lady Di, drop.
Put that down now, darling.
Drop it,
Put
Lady Di.
down.
No!
Come on, girl. I've only got half hour.
Oh, Tommy's making noises.
That's it. Just don't fight it. Don't fight it.
It's gonna hurt, isn't it? When it comes out, a ring that size.
Breathe. That's it, baby. Breathe.
Just push when you want to push.
Must be what it's like waiting for a baby to be born.
She'll be all right. Oh. See? No, it's real. It's legit, Fee. Of course, I'm not stalling you. I know you're on your way over here to take. Is it out yet?
Not yet.
Right, it's a great big stone, right? The jeweller reckons it's 4.5 carats, right? It's loads of lovely little diamonds round here.
Tell her it's like Pippa Middleton's engagement ring, only bigger.
We're going under down there.
No, it's like Pippa Middleton's engagement ring, only bigger.
What was she saying?
Okay, yeah.
Will she take it?
Gotcha, yeah, gotcha.
Oh, go on. Go on. Oh, oh.
Yeah. No, it'll be here. It'll be here, all waiting for you, all shiny, and I'll tell you something now. You're gonna love it. She wants it. She wants it. She wants it. Come here. Drinks are on the house.
I can't believe it, Linda.
It's like magic.
It is, Doc.
So what, you got a freehold back? We've got the lots. We ain't going nowhere.
Mate, it's the best news I've heard in ages.
Come here, mate.
Hi, everyone! Let's have a cheers to the Vic, shall we? Cheers!